Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Happy Tuesday, everybody. I am Dan from Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we shall go straight over to those Bitcoin 4-hour charts, those very good looking Bitcoin 4-hour charts. So yes, we had our bull flag here. We took a leg up to the upside eventually after our typical crypto price action here. Take out the shorts, take out the longs, and then make the move. But yeah, we currently find ourselves up at, if we extend along here, at the next level of resistance. So it is obviously fair to see us stalling out here. Maybe we trade sideways here a bit longer, but ultimately we would hope to this bull flag play out and actually play out the full projection of this, the bull flag from here, which is only realistically one more leg up, similar to what we've done. So do we have one last pump up? Things often come in threes in price action, so one leg, two leg. Are we going to get this third leg up? And then what we would hope for is a sideways consolidation holding above this $23,000 level. That is what we would hope for. So basically make up to this target, trade around here, and then ultimately trade higher. That could be what is on the cards. What we have in our favor is stock markets are looking very, very good here. Again above this trend line where we have been before, and above this resistance where we have also been before, but not when the trend line was below this resistance, and also we've actually moved quite a decent bit away and holding above these highs here, which you could have as a bit of a short-term level of resistance. We did pop above, and we're currently back testing into that. So this is looking very good. I mean, we have lows, we have high, we have a higher low, and now whatever we print here will be a higher high. So in this shorter time frame, this trend is changed. And I mean, that is it. Let's play out our move up towards new all-time highs. If not at least, we've got it. You've got to think we're heading at least towards the $4,300 level anyway. Absolutely a wonderful 101 handle here on the DXY, albeit only just 101.9, but 101 nonetheless, coming into very important areas here. Like we said previously, these areas were probably gonna get tagged before we do play a significant bounce, just off the back of how far we've come and how quickly. So you can see this is obviously where this level coincides in. So yeah, maybe one last push up in risk assets, crypto, maybe one push down the dollar, and then we do trade some sideways. And as long as we are basically below this resistance level here, then yeah, we won't be looking too bad at all. Won't be looking too bad at all for some sideways consolidation, and then yeah, let the bull market commence. Oil up there or thereabouts. What you kind of expect if things are generally looking better. We have this level of resistance. We also, I guess, we could even draw in a level literally down where we're practically at now. I always don't particularly like drawing levels when we're literally at the level, because it looks like you're just putting it in just because we're there now. But I mean, I guess it is a level. Of resistance here. Gold squeezing on all the way up here. There is obviously a buy of gold here. No real pullbacks in gold, even at this very significant level. We can't really call that a pullback on the basis of what we do see in gold price action, where pullbacks just wipe out the whole rally and some. Usually this is literally can't be countered. But yeah, so there is clearly a bidder for gold. So who that turns out to be, I guess we'll all find out. We'll find out eventually. The gold, let's find this gold silver ratio. Gold silver ratio, obviously the bidder is for gold and not silver. So yeah, this ratio is obviously going up. So yeah. Ethereum Satoshi pairing, there is obviously a bidder for Bitcoin and not Ethereum. However, we did talk about back testing this trend line. We have tested it twice now, but sadly for Ethereum bulls, we are actually below this level of this important level of resistance now. So I mean, this is our last hope in the media in this short to medium term to hold this trend line, which we very likely could do once we get back above this support resistance, and then yes, onwards and upwards. However, if we are to come down here, then yeah, we got lower levels. If we take this out, then will be looking at even lower, and yeah, it's not as constructive as this was looking. But zooming out here, as you can see, it is just sort of tightening up overall, even if it is tightening up to the downside of the middle at the moment. You can see this move up. You could potentially look at this as a bull flag, and then yeah, we could then make another move up. So there is that if you want to put a positive spin on it, which, as you guys know, that I will usually do when it comes to Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance obviously going up as well, coming into a level of resistance. Actually just touched it, so Bitcoin dominance coming up, hit this level. So yes, can we get rejected here and come back down? Yes, as a non-Bitcoin maxis, to say it in a more diplomatic fashion. Let's hope so. Not too much else I want to look at on here. Oh yeah, sorry, the Ethereum USD pairing is not looking so bad, but obviously Bitcoin has been going up without this asset, which is obviously why the Ethereum Satoshi pairing has been going down. But however, we're above this level, above an important level of resistance, flirting with taking out these highs. Take these out, then yes, we could be looking at a move, realistically into the 1850s, 1900s, and then potentially up and away and beyond. Let's look at stochastics. 4 hour pointing up, looking good. Not that we look at that much. 12 hour is struggling to hold up here. It's pointing up at the moment. That would have to be said, but how long it can stay up here before we do trade some sideways to down, we'll see. Like I said, maybe we get this one last push up, and then we do have a medium time frame consolidation. Daily again pointing up, looking relatively good for that last push. Same with 2 day, 3 day, looking good for that last push to the upside, and then 5 days. This is an amazing looking read. This is going to take out this potential, already taken out this trend line. This is really good for overall support, for sideways consolidation, and then ultimately trading higher. Just a brilliant read. Weekly stochastic, really good. Bi-weekly looking good here as well, and monthly turned up as well. Obviously this hasn't closed, but yeah, so I mean, short, medium term time frame, we can clearly see some consolidation. Maybe we do get this pop up. That's what we want. We want this pop up to around above 25,000, 26,000 if we're lucky, 26,300 if we're even luckier, and then have the consolidation, and then try and obviously hold 23,000. That is the Goldilocks scenario. So let's see if that is going to happen. So that is pretty much it, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I shall speak to you guys soon.